Starting your double crochet looks a lot like a half double crochet because you are wrapping your working yarn around your hook just one time before inserting it into your stitch. You're going to follow the steps like you would for a single crochet or half double crochet, but once you've pulled back through that stitch, you're going to wrap your working yarn one time around your hook and go through the middle 2 loops on your hook, leaving 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to wrap your working yarn around again, and that will be 3 loops on your hook, and you're going to go through the bottom 2, leaving 1 loop on your hook, and therefore completing your double crochet.